Bwembakasi East BABU OWINO mochire serikali asemero biro yaye yogusalia omulembe bwense asokubakana na kuruberia abasagani kobwera abana siasa bali mamicha ya serikali kukona kurwase chiabisi chiaye osabira Abakenya Gotumekwa bube na serikali asoko ewa chibesa CHINKE na Goita ABAMWABO abo balense buna barabwo omochire ebyombe byoborendi asogotaira egetambokero kerichiko kurenda Abakenya bande.
I want to specifically address the police on the matter of goons that are being unleashed on us. Everywhere we go, it's about goons. And these goons are sponsored by those in government. The goons that are working around the western region, that is Nyanza, and the western Kenya, that is Nyanza and western, and even some in Nairobi. Those goons are sponsored by one Raymond Omolo, and the person paying these goons is one boy Akoth. These goons are always unleashed to attack us, to harm us, and to probably kill us. The unfortunate thing is that we are losing lives. Whenever there are these attacks, we are losing lives of innocent Kenyans, youthful boys, young men, who had a hope of having better lives. But instead, because they have no option, they are being used, misused, they are being recruited as goons. In Kenya, we don't have a government. We have a goonverment. There is no government at all in this nation because the government already has a monopoly of violence. It is the most violent state. It has the tools of violence. It has police officers, not limited to even the... And now that the government is even unleashing goons on its citizens, instead of giving jobs, they are giving goons, rungus and pangas, to kill fellow innocent Kenyans. It is quite unfortunate that these boys are only paid 500 shillings, at most 1,000 Kenya shillings, to take the life of a fellow Kenyan. A Kenyan who cannot afford school fee for the child, just as you can't as a goon. A fellow Kenyan who cannot afford 3 meals in a day, just as you. A fellow Kenyan who cannot pay his rent just as you can't pay your rent. Why do you want to kill a fellow Kenyan who is as innocent as you are? These goons in Kisumu, the culture of goonism in Kisumu, why do you accept to be used by the government just at a fee of 500 shillings to destroy a life, to destroy somebody's husband, destroy somebody's father, somebody's child, somebody's son, in the name of 500 Kenya shillings?